Parrot Products Chalk and Chalk holders. If you open your Parrot Products General Catalogue on page 36, you will find the Parrot Products Chalk and Parrot Products Chalk holders at the bottom of the page. Parrot Products Chalk is supplied in boxes of 100 assorted colours. We also supply the boxes of 100 in white. We supply the boxes of 10 in assorted colours and the boxes of 10 in white. Parrot Products also supply the chalk holders. The chalk holders have a magnetic strip on the reverse side, which we would be able to stick onto our magnetic chalk boards. To insert the chalk or take the chalk out, we press the button at the back and we'll be able to insert the chalk. Parrot Products Chalk is made out of calcium carbonate, which is a high quality chalk. It is dustless, and if we write, it will be a solid line. If we have greasy marks on our chalkboard, we would also be able to write through the greasy marks. The colour chalk is also made out of calcium carbonate, which is also a high quality piece of chalk. If your customer complains that when they use the chalkboard dusters, that when they try and erase the chalk, it leaves a cloud of dust and it doesn't erase 100%. These suggest to your customers to use the Parrot Products Aqua Wipes. With the Parrot Products Aqua Wipes, they are microfiber cloths. They absorb all the dust. So if we erase the chalkboard, you'll notice that it will erase the dust or the chalk correctly.